everyone, so today we are going to show you Sarah's...
I'm in 4th grade!
Yep, we're gonna show you the 4th grade books because we just finished buying some of the 4th grade books. Have you liked 4th grade so far?
Yes, I love 4th grade! I love it!
Alright, let's show you the 4th grade books, okay? Alright, Sarah, Mommy forgot when you started 4th grade, I forgot to buy all the test books. We had spelling, but I forgot the language test book, the health test book, the science test book, and the history test book. The quiz book was here, and the maps book was here, and the states notebook was here. I somehow managed to not buy, no wait, did you already have your math one? You didn't. I somehow managed to not get any of the test books. So, let's see what books we did have, and let's talk about them. So, here is your brand new test book. You want to hold it up? So we're just going to review and then go back through and do our test, right?
Okay.
You like your butterfly book?
I love my butterfly.
Alright, so show everybody your language book. Just hold, no, the other one. Hold up the big language book for everybody.
It's so big. Oh, there's a parrot on the back.
You didn't realize there was a parrot on the back?
I didn't know there was a parrot.
That may be a parakeet. What's your favorite thing to do in language?
I love writing all those wonderful things.
You like writing the stories?
And I love drawing and doing all that.
So she actually has a floppy folder for her stories. Hold it up. But we've got to get more paper and put more paper in for her stories. Yeah, we've got to refill it, right? What's the next subject?
Spelling! Spelling!
I thought you didn't like spelling. Yeah, spelling 3 for some reason was harder for Sarah, but I think spelling 4 has been easier so far, right?
Yes.
Alright, we have that one. And then you had that test book. So we're fine with spelling, right? You want to go ahead and hold it up anyways? Yeah, we had that one. And I actually ended up ordering an extra, so I won't have to get Rebecca's 4th grade spelling test book. And then that is your spelling floppy folder?
This is Rebecca's.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because I didn't have my sticker.
Oh, well you have the same color. We'll swap them out in a minute though. She loves math. What do you love about your cover of your math book?
There's a honeybee!
Yep, she loves honeybees.
There's on the back too!
Yeah, she loves math and she loves that there's honeybees all over, and she's super excited to get her new test book, right?
Seriously, they forgot the honeybees.
Did they on the new test book?
Yeah.
Aw, but it still has the honeycomb.
Yeah, it still has the honeycomb.
But you like your new test book?
Honey.
And so we can go back through the stuff we've already covered and just get through it.
And then my math folder
Yeah.
is pink because
still-
I love pink.
You've still been using your math folder and writing your special, your families and your multiplication, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've still been doing that. It's just for some reason I had just completely forgot to get the test keys, so we waited to just order everything whenever we order the new books for next year. But that's okay though, right? Because we've got till August. We can get done, can't we? Alright, and now you've got your health book. And then show them the new test book.
Whoa, it has stripes on the back.
It does have stripes on the back.
Ooh.
Well, your other book does too. Look closer.
Oh, they're all green.
You've been using that since August. You didn't know it had stripes on it.
Oh man, my folder's ripped.
That's okay. We can get new folders in August when we get the you're going into 5th grade. Now show them that one. Yeah, so these are readers, so they get passed down. We pass down the readers through each grade. So it looks kind of rough after having 2 kids use it. Less rough than the math book does after just 1 child using it. And then show them the new quiz and test book.
Yay!
Yep.
Whoa, this has a stripe on the back. Ah, there's a purple stripe.
Yep. And it has, oh, the eagle's not on the front of this one. It just has the butterfly. Butterfly must be a theme for 4th grade. And then show them your favorite science folder, because it looks like...
It looks like it's a bunch of pretty leaves and it's
What is it?
pink.
But what does it remind you of?
The beach.
And
Moana.
and the other Disney one.
And Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah, she actually has a spiral notebook that matches this. Hold on. Show them the history book.
History!
What's been your favorite thing in history so far?
colonies.
That's your maps book.
The maps.
Yeah, you've done a couple maps in there.
Yay.
And then show them the new quiz book, or is it quiz and test book?
Yeah. Yay.
Okay, it may have been Madeline I was thinking I ordered the test and not the quiz too, but I got you the quiz and test book today, and it looks just like the cover of the book. And then you've got one more to show. Hold it up.
My state's notebook.
Where you get to study all about your very own...
state notebook?
Yep, study just about states. All right, can I see it?
Oh.
And then you have one more floppy folder to show, right? It's purple!
Oh.
Do you know it looks blue on camera? Here, look. Isn't that funny?
Purple though.
You like all your new school books? And you like the school books that you already had?
Yes.
Sit. What do you tell everybody?